Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to replace the blown out brake light bulb of CIAZ. To start with, we need to open the boot space and we have a screwdriver of plus type to remove the screw. Please note there is a black heavy insulation mat inside the housing. So we need to open the couplings. After removing the black cloth, you will be having such wiring, and this is 1, 2, then here is 3 and 4 are the major attachments you will find for brake light assembly. So we need to remove it pressfully. So these were 2 couplings which we have separated, and this was the 4th one. There are 2 bulbs. So now we have one for brake light and one for indicator. We need to twist it anti-clockwise to open brake light holder. As you can see, the brake light is blown out, but tail light is still working. So we have 21/5 watt, which is already mentioned on the housing also. So we have P21/5 watt. So this bulb is totally replaceable by our blown out bulb. So there is a simple technique, just twist it anti-clockwise and just pull out. We have a new bulb, and it's time to replace the bulb holder at its position. Just twist it clockwise to lock it. Please note there is a rubber seal, so it should be watertight, so no mistakes. Now it's testing time. Yes, it's working well. It's time to reinstall all the assembly. First and foremost, the rubber housing, which was attachment number 3. And then we will be adjusting all the wires. Then coupling number 4 will be locked first, and then there will be lateral pressure for those coupling number 1 and 2 to lock up. I think it is there. It has been locked up. Now it's time to screw the tail light once again. And finally it is done. So this was the blown out bulb we had over here. P21/5 watt. So friend, that's all for today's session, and as you can see, it is working very well. So this was the quick DIY episode for brake light assembly. Please stay tuned for more episodes. Thanks for watching. This is Vishnu signing off from SMARTDrive.